Here I have REALME C30, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So you just put this tool inside the hole next to the slot pops out. So here you have to enter your SD card and here your SIM card, and then put it back into your device just like this. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that the SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.